some point you'll need to move it.
Are you going to put it up? You want to give it to me? Is it heavy?
Yeah. Oh, like,
It's okay.
I got the door. Both doors are closed.
Yeah. Just need to give you some leg and here I'll
yeah, that'll be nice for
It can't be
you.
any
Oh
heavy.
yeah, we're moving.
Oh, it's light.
Being loose.
Then you go so it's air.
That's so good, Aaron. You got leg room.
Oh yeah, I think we should go. But you know what I will say? It's nice to have your feet on something. Because these feet are shallow.
Do you need help? You got
I have to put mine on my head to get it in the overhead.
They give it to you after.
What are you taking pictures of the rain?
No.
Oh, I'm taking a video for a friend.
He wants to try it.
Good, they need them.
No.
Hey, cool. We asked for it.
Best part's always like when it's accelerate, it's got going really fast.
Yeah, that's my favorite part, yeah. So I always try and call it, but I'm always wrong.
Yeah.
Every single time. Like every single time. And that's what I'm talking about.
Ladies and gentlemen, your safety is our top priority. Please take a moment to watch the following demonstration of IAM safety procedures for this aircraft. Mesdames et messieurs, votre sécurité et votre priorité. Veuillez prendre le temps de regarder les démonstrations suivantes et les mesures de sécurité dans votre appareil. Please note that very signs on